Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to find and remove viruses or malicious threats from your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. From here, scroll down until you find Safari, then tap on it. Many viruses come from browsing the web, usually through pop-ups in Safari that falsely claim your phone has a virus. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Advanced. At the top, tap Website Data. Here, you'll see all the website data stored on your iPhone, including any potentially malicious websites. To remove this data, tap Remove All Website Data. This will delete everything and is the first important step. Next, let's check if anything suspicious was downloaded to your phone. Swipe over to the app library and search for the Files app. Open Files, tap on My iPhone, and then go to Downloads. Look for any files you don't recognize or that seem suspicious. If you want to be extra safe, tap the three dots in the top right corner, tap Select, then tap Select All, and finally tap the trash icon to delete everything. Now, let's move on to the next step. Go back to Settings, scroll to the top, and tap General. Next, tap Software Update. Keeping your iPhone updated is extremely important because updates often include security fixes that help detect and prevent threats. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Also, tap Automatic Updates and make sure Automatically Install is turned on. This helps keep your iPhone secure automatically. After that, I recommend restarting your phone. Press and hold the volume up button and the side button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. If you're still experiencing issues and believe there may be a virus, your best option is to visit an Apple store. They can run diagnostics, check for malware, and restore your device using a backup if needed. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.